Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got another video. In this video I'll show you how you can change your spending limit for Instagram ads. But before that, please make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. For that, go ahead, open up your Instagram app, then tap on this profile icon at the bottom right corner. Then tap on this professional dashboard. Make sure to get the professional dashboard. You have to have a professional or business account. From this section, you're going to scroll and tap on this option of add tools. From this section, you should be able to find a edit and tap edit and view insights section. Then you're going to go to budget and duration. Now what you have to remember is the insights section will look like somewhat like this, and this will only happen once you have run an ad. Then only you will find this particular section on add tools section. Then you're going to go ahead, go to edit ad, and then you're going to select budget and duration. Adjust your daily budget according to your need or campaign duration, then tap save, and that's it. That's all you need to do. That's all it takes. Hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.